Okay, so in order to change the ozone generator, first thing you have to do is take off the front three panels of the hot tub. Once you get them off, this is what it will look like. Then you'll have to go over here to the control box, open it up, make sure everything's unplugged and powered off before you do this, obviously. The ozone generator plug will be the third one in the middle of these three. Typically it'll always be covered by black coating like this one. Just squeeze the top two tabs, compress them, and pull back to take it off. The wire will be stuck in here with this tension restraint, so just loosen that off. Remove the cable. Typically they will always be zip tied together, so just get your cutters and then do a little cut. Then you can feed it all the way back here to where the ozone generator is. Then to remove this, first thing you want to do, remove this hose right here. You can usually just pull down on it because it won't be glued into place. Tuck that away. And then let's do this. Take off the unit. Find the cord. It's probably zip tied over here again. There. Ozone generator is off. And then to put the other ozone generator back on, just reverse the steps that we just did, and that's pretty much it.